Okay, we are going to show Lily how baby girl rolls over. Okay, now we can only shoot one of them at a time, so we're going to shoot Lily because it's very funny. Alright, baby girl, here's your little treat. Oh, I dropped it. There you go, get it. Good girl. Alright, you sit down. Good job. Good job. Okay, baby girl, come over here. Come here, look. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. Okay, baby girl. Look. Come here. Sit. Lay down. Roll over. You want to see it again? What you doing? Hey, Lily Pie. Watch. There we go. Sit down. Yeah. Roll over. Alright, one more. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Okay, you ready? Roll over. Roll over. Lay down. Roll over. Oh, it's okay. He's so funny. That's a big girl, huh? Okay, baby girl, lay down. Lay down. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Baby girl, roll over. She's not even rolling over, she's just laying down. Okay, baby girl, roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Alright, baby girl, look. Roll over. Look. Oh, baby girl. Here we go. Roll over. Alright, baby girl, here. The end. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Blow a kiss. Mwah. You want to blow a kiss? Mwah. Blow me a kiss. Mwah. You want to give me a real kiss? Mwah. Here, you want to show me kissy face? Show me kissy face. You say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye. Good girl.